lay down.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna get this.
Get your clothes on. Don't you have to wear an apron?
Hey, you should have a gown. Shouldn't you be in a gown, Tate?
Strip down.
Look at the ear before. Yeah, buddy. Look at that. Does it hurt?
Yeah, but
No.
Does it hurt now?
Ow. Maybe.
Look at the other ear, because I mean that one's almost normal, right? Ugh.
I hope she can't find
What's
the
in
pocket.
I know.
Hope it takes you like 3 times to find the pocket.
It took Mike 3 times.
Okay, so what do I do?
Oh my god.
So what do I do?
Hey, you gotta clean it first
Put the pointy end towards the ear.
and stabs.
Like that.
You might cover your eyes, Tate. She's like, I'm just sticking wild here. It's like pin the tail on the donkey. We're gonna spin Megan around in a circle, put a blindfold on, and have her go at it.
That'd be awesome.
When you go in, you're going right down here. Just push it in. Good. I'm gonna distract the ear a little bit. And you're gonna start drawing it out.
Okay.
Awesome.
Yeah. Wait real quick, just switch over here.
Now keep some tension on that and slowly pull the string down.
Whoa, let's see how much that is. Oh wow, look at that.
That's a lot.
All right,
still more in there?
Oh yeah, you could fill up another one at least. 2, maybe. Can we
Got
just
5 cc's.
perichondrial
What you got?
hematoma?
Hey.
She's coming back. Hematoma.
So then we soak it. We put a little bit of Pedialyte on it.
No, that's it's holy water.
Holy water.
It's holy water.
Sterile water.
Oh.
That's vodka, isn't it? It's your sash.
That's why it's so sterile.
That's why Mike's so giggly during the day.
It's sealed 3 times. It looks like a normal
What do
ear.
you call it, moonshine?
Yeah, give it 2 days.
I just keep that compressed for a couple
Dude,
minutes.
you used to put like one of those little metal cast on, where you know those ones you used to use the splint on your finger.
Paper
Put one of
clip.
those on and just pinch it down, and then you sleep like that. You ever try that, Mike?
Iowa State, they use binder clips.
Binding
Oh.
clips? Ooh.
Oh my
That hurt.
gosh.
You wanna do it again? I'm gonna give it a good hit. You can do it again. Yeah.
Suck down.
So, Tate, how do you feel about Megan's overall performance here today?
I give her a B.
A B?
A B
Yeah.
for my first time?
A B.
How do I get an A?
Wow.
Do it again.
It's Megan's
That's
first.
a drained cauliflower ear.
What time is it?